Ooh, there's a spider right there. Like, where'd he go? Spider web right there. I just walked through it anyway. Is that a Pontiac? Ooh, mosquitoes are bad out here, dude. What is this? Really? I didn't see this one before.
Didn't notice this one before, no.
Well, it's because they cut the roofs off them. You can't tell.
Oh, that was pouring down the rain.
The grills are really good.
Oh yeah.
Back windshield's still in this one too. How are the gauges?
Wow.
What?
Someone trashed the solid fender.
Well, they cut a piece out what they wanted.
Yeah, check it out though. The fender's solid. There isn't one rust hole in this fender. It's still got original paint on the inside.
Really?
Yep. They cut it out.
Well, that's a pretty big fender though.
Couldn't save the whole thing.
Oh, look at that. Sweet. Camino. Another El Camino. I guess now that it's dry, we're gonna find a bunch more cars, right? What the hell's this thing? Huh. I just found a bed, but I think it's for a Ford.
That hood to that Chevy is solid, dude. I wasn't sure if you seen it because they had it sitting at the side. Really good condition.
Ah. They pulled a car right out of here.
What is that? Jeez.
Yep. Hey, you really gotta get in the trees to find stuff.
Charger right there.
Huh?
Go to the charger and just stick sitting out right over
Be careful we don't stumble upon any wasp nests. It still has the license plate on it. Doesn't say what month it was registered. Old Ford. See what we gotta go through. Oh my. Ah. Don't wanna find anything, you gotta get in the bushes. Look at this, old 30s. This is probably 20s. Wow. Yeah, I like that bumper on the back. See that bumper? Someone was working here before they left their shirt. What's left of it? The dash is gone. We walked down here before, let's just walk out this way. Double check that there's nothing.
That's cool.
It's pretty much all like 90s stuff over this side.
Well, 70s and 80s and that. suicide door.
Sweet. Whoa. It's a Continental, dude. Lincoln, right? Lincoln Continental? Ooh. Look at this puppy. There's anything in the trunk. Oh, there is stuff in the trunk. Hey, that looks like the windshield mold into the truck. Doesn't it? Look at that. Inside windshield molding. Oh, a rat. A mouse. Whatever it is. You flip that lid back on there for me.
There's a frog.
You lift that back up. Oh, there's bugs.
No, I think I'll leave it
No,
off.
I don't want to leave it off. There.
These bugs and venomous are getting crazy.
Oh yeah. I told you we should have bought some insect repellent. Yeah, we're getting into like 90s right here. There's 80s, but most of this is 90s. You gotta go around here and circle in. Oh yeah. What we got? Mosquitoes are getting real bad. Oh yeah. Dang it. There's nothing down there, remember? See some station wagons. Oh my god.